Hello friends, we are continuing from the previous lecture. Here we shall discuss foreign currency positions. What is foreign currency position? Foreign currency position means amount payable or amount receivable in foreign currency. So when some amount is receivable or some amount is payable in foreign currency, that is called foreign currency position. Friend, foreign currency position can be a closed position or open position. First, what is a closed position? Closed position means a position where sale and purchase of foreign currency is equal. In other words, we can say a matched position. When position is matched position or closed position, there is no foreign currency risk. So this is no risk position. Now, what is open position? Open position means a mismatched position. Either sale is more than purchase or purchase is more than sale. And this is a position with risk. Since there is risk involved, so this position limit is determined by board of directors in a bank. And this is reported to Reserve Bank of India. So open position means where there is a mismatch. Now mismatch can be on account of sale more than purchase. When sale is more than purchase, this is called short position or oversold position. So sale more than purchase, this is a short position or oversold position. Or purchase more than sale. So this is called long position or overbought position. Now, how to correct these positions? So there comes the question of change in foreign currency rates. So if we have open position, mismatched position, and there is change in the foreign currency rates. So when sale is more than purchase, then it is a short position. So how do we correct the short position? Short position will be corrected by purchase. And how do we correct the long position? Long position is corrected by making sale. Now if foreign currency rates are increasing, so when rates are increasing and we have long position, then we will sell, and when we sell and rates are increasing, we will make profit. But if we have short position, so short position will be covered by purchase. And if rates are increasing and we have to purchase, then bank will make loss. Now in case of decreasing rates scenario, so if rates are decreasing in short position, the bank will make a gain. Since rates are declining, bank has to make purchase, hence bank shall gain. And in long position, bank will make loss. Similarly, exporters which are having foreign exchange, so they gain when rates increase. On the other hand, importers, they purchase foreign currency most of the times. So when rates are decreasing, increasing, then importers make loss. So in declining rates, exporters will make loss and importers will make a gain. In increasing rates, exporters will make a gain and importers will make loss. There is another variant of a foreign currency position: daylight position and overnight position. Daylight position means balance during daytime. Balance payable, balance receivable during daytime. So during daytime, the balance is higher. And overnight position means the balance at close of the day. So here the bank shall be holding lower balance. So when we compare these two positions, balance will be higher in daylight position compared with the overnight position.